The Seeds for Resilience project is supported by the Global Crop Diversity Trust, and the implementation of the project started in 2022. The project provides financial and technical support to ensure the genobanks reach international standards. The project works to upgrade genobank equipment, improve internal processes, and increase staff technical capacity. The project supported genobank staff training and preparation of standard operating procedures. The project also procured aluminum, foil, information technology equipment, a server, a laboratory thresher, a laboratory seed blower, and a field vehicle from abroad. In addition, various agricultural inputs including paper bags, nylon mesh, meters, fertilizer, and weighing machines have been procured locally and are being used at the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute headquarters and community seed banks. In addition to technical and material assistance, the Seeds for Resilience project supports participatory research to allow farmers to select their preferred varieties from materials conserved in the genobank. Accordingly, wheat farmers' participatory research was conducted at Ginir Community Seed Bank for 3 consecutive years, between 2022 and 2024. For the experiment, 80 wheat accessions, which were selected from accessions planted for characterization at a Kaki research substation, were used. Each wheat accession was sown in 3 square meters plots with 2 replications. A total of 20 farmers, 14 male and 6 female farmers, selected in consultation with members of the Ginir Community Seed Bank, participated in the research program. Training was delivered to these farmers about the significance of participatory variety, selection, and evaluation criteria of farmers' preferred accessions. Later, farmers developed their own variety evaluation criteria, and together with researchers from the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute, Goba Biodiversity Center, and experts from the Ginir Agricultural Development Office, carried out evaluation and selection work at different stages of plant development. Among the evaluation criteria, disease tolerance, yield, lodging, and adaptation were mainly used by farmers to select wheat accessions. The evaluation and selection work were carried out for 3 consecutive years. Eventually, out of the 80 wheat accessions, farmers selected 4 farmers' wheat varieties for direct use and introduction into farmers' cropping systems. These varieties were found to be adapted to the area, productive, and wheat disease tolerant. Later, the selected 4 wheat varieties were multiplied at the Ginir Community Seed Bank site in 2024. Surprisingly, the wheat varieties have not been affected by wheat diseases. This is a good result, and the quality of the seed is also great. Again, in the second cropping season of 2024, we supplied 60 kilograms of the multiplied seeds to 3 farmers to plant on their fields. The performance of the wheat varieties on farmers' fields was closely monitored by a team of experts from the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute, Goba Biodiversity Center, and Ginir Agricultural Development Office. Amazingly, the wheat accessions again proved to be tolerant to wheat diseases, which is the main production limiting factor in the area. This finding has great implications for wheat farmers in the Ginir area, because most of the wheat varieties currently grown by farmers require 2 to 3 round chemical spray to give reasonable yield. The CSB members are happy with the findings of the research, which they were also part of. Farmers also said that the disease tolerance ability of the selected wheat varieties would contribute to saving the cost that would have been used to apply chemical spray. Further, they explained that these varieties can be produced with less agricultural inputs compared with other wheat varieties grown in the area. Now, several farmers in the community are requesting the seeds of these wheat varieties to plant on their farmland. Overall, the findings of the research conducted in collaboration with farmers clearly show that the farmers' varieties conserved in the Ebi Genobank provide an enormous resource that can be used in crop improvement programs to develop varieties with desirable traits and solve the challenges that the agriculture sector faces. The participatory research, which started with 26 grams of seeds in 2022, now has reached more than 6,300 kilograms. This is a significant achievement, and according to the research recommended seed rates, the seed can be used to plant more than 42 hectares of land. Recently, a team led by the Deputy Director General of the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute visited the Ginir Community Seed Bank to observe the performance of the wheat farmers' varieties and conduct a discussion with farmers who participated in the wheat participatory research. The Seed for Resilience Project Coordinator and other researchers who have participated in the wheat participatory research have briefed the participants of the Field Day program on the participatory research approach used, the gender composition of participating farmers, training delivered to farmers, and equipment purchased through the project support. Farmers also explained their role in the selection process of the wheat varieties and the lessons they learned throughout the project implementation period. They emphasized that the selected wheat varieties are crucial for them, as they are adapted to the area and also tolerant to the major wheat diseases. Dr. Felik W. Yes, the Deputy Director of the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute, is also happy with the findings of the wheat participatory research. He further said that the disease-tolerant nature of the selected wheat varieties is of great benefit to farmers and could enhance the availability of farmers' preferred seed during planting time. He thanked the farmers who have been involved in the wheat participatory research and who have used their indigenous knowledge in selecting the 4 wheat varieties. Further, Dr. Felik said that the Institute will provide the necessary support to strengthen the community seed bank and similar research activities. Similarly, Mr. Tedros Batu, the representative of the Ginir District Agricultural Development Office who participated in the field visit and discussion, said in his speech that various improved wheat varieties come through various channels to the Ginir area every year. However, these varieties remain productive for only a few years. Hence, the wheat varieties selected in the Ginir Community Seed Bank with the full participation of farmers could be a great benefit to the community and contribute to filling the existing quality seed gap during planting time. Mr. Tedros also expressed his gratitude to the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute for preserving the farmers' wheat varieties, and said that the Ginir Agricultural Development Office will support the mass production of the wheat varieties. Finally, Dr. Yeshatila Mekbib, the coordinator of the Seeds for Resilience project, said that further screening of the wheat accessions will be conducted in collaboration with research institutions. Training on quality declared seed certification, production, and inspection will also be delivered to farmers. Further, efforts will be made to register the 4 wheat farmers' varieties with quality declared certification protocol and establish a market linkage so that farmers can benefit.